Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A10 and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera promote at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. We have to change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera and one of them is the Pro, so let me pick it. Here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar. Let's go from the left. The first one button here allows us to control the ISO. So as you can see, we get access to this slider and we can change the camera's sensitivity to light. We can make it less sensitive from 100 or more sensitive by going to the right to 800, so I think this spectrum is really enough like this kind of camera. We can of course easily go back to auto ISO by tapping on this manual button from the right, so it changes to the auto. Now let's move at the center to the next one parameter, the white balance. Here we can manage the temperature of our picture in Kelvin degrees, so as you can see we get access to the slider, and by going to the left on it we can make our photo more cold, more blue. By going to the right we can make it more warm, more orange, so this is kind of balance between cold and warm tones of our picture. We can easily go back also to auto settings by tapping again to manual button, so now we get again access to auto white balance. And let's move to the last one option, the exposure compensation. Here we have different slider. At the center we have 0 parameters. By going to the right we can make our picture more bright, as you can see, and by going to the left we can make it more dark. So the exposure compensation allows us to control the light of our picture, and of course to go back to auto settings we can do it easily by sliding to the center to 0 parameters. Now let's move to the right corner button here. We can also in the Pro mode change the metering. Now we are on center weighted. We can pick matrix 1 and also the spot. So let's stay for example on matrix and let me use the settings to take a picture. Let's start now with the light and make our photo more bright, maybe a little bit colder by using the white balance, and the ISO let's stay on 200. Let me also adjust focusing by tapping on the center. We can do it easily like that to get access to autofocus. And now to see my picture we have to go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. So this is how it looks like. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.